Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. But as AI systems become more powerful, a crucial question arises. How do we ensure that AI systems remain aligned with human goals and values? This is the challenge of AI alignment. Let's explore what it is and why it matters. First, let's define AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. In simple terms, it's about creating computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. But for AI to be truly beneficial, it needs to be aligned with our intentions. This concept is known as AI alignment. A simple way to think about it is the triple H. We want AI to be helpful, harmless, and honest. Imagine AI as a powerful engine. Alignment is like the steering wheel, making sure it takes us where we want to go. It's important to remember that AI is a tool, just like a hammer or computer. And like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. What exactly is alignment? It's making sure that AI's goals and actions match our own, and that AI is helpful, harmless, and honest. And why is it important? We're about to find out. Throughout history, new technologies have often had unintended consequences. Think about cars. They revolutionized transportation, but also led to pollution and accidents. With AI, we need to be even more careful. You might be wondering, why is AI alignment becoming such a big deal now? Well, it's because AI is advancing at an incredibly rapid pace. As AI systems become more sophisticated and plays a bigger role in our lives, the need to ensure it is aligned with our values becomes even more critical. Imagine tasking an AI with increasing a company's profits without explicitly defining ethical boundaries. It might achieve this by exploiting legal loopholes or cutting corners on employee welfare, all in the name of maximizing the bottom line. This is because the AI might not fully understand the nuances of our human values and priorities. AI alignment is about ensuring that AI systems not only understand our literal instructions, but also the underlying intent and values behind them. We want AI to achieve our goals in a way that aligns with our broader understanding of what is good and desirable. But achieving this alignment is a significant challenge. What if we can't clearly express what we want? Now, let's delve into one of the biggest challenges in AI alignment. Human values are complex and often difficult to define. Think about concepts like fairness, justice, or even happiness. These are not easily translated into precise instructions for an AI. Defining human values is like trying to capture the wind. It's always shifting and hard to grasp. How do you quantify something like fairness in a way a machine can understand? How do you explain it to another person? For example, sometimes AI systems can reflect biases that exist in the data they are trained on, leading to unfair outcomes. An algorithm used in hiring might unfairly favor certain groups of people over others. We humans often rely on intuition and shared understanding when making value judgments. We don't always agree, and our values can even change over time. This inherent complexity makes it challenging to create AI that can truly grasp and respect the full spectrum of human values. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. What human value do you think would be the hardest to explain to an AI? But that's not the only hurdle. This brings us to another key challenge. Many advanced AI systems are often described as black boxes. This means we don't always know exactly how they arrive at particular decisions. Imagine trying to understand a complex machine without being able to see inside. How would you figure out how it works? What if you couldn't even ask how it works? The decision-making process of an AI can be incredibly intricate and opaque. This lack of transparency makes it difficult to diagnose potential problems or predict how an AI will behave in new situations. It's like trying to understand how a complicated recipe works just by tasting the final dish. You can guess some of the ingredients, but you don't know the exact proportions or steps involved. This black box problem makes it harder to ensure that an AI is truly aligned with our intentions, as we can't always see the reasoning behind its actions. So how do we deal with this lack of transparency? Let's explore some of the approaches being developed. Even with the best intentions, AI systems might find unexpected ways to achieve their goals that we didn't foresee. This is because they might identify shortcuts or solutions that are technically correct, but don't align with our values. Let's imagine a scenario. Suppose we task an AI with cleaning up a polluted lake. It might devise a solution that eliminates all life in the lake, thus technically removing the pollution, but completely missing the bigger picture of preserving the ecosystem. Have you ever tried to find a shortcut to a goal, only to realize it created a new problem? What did you do to fix the situation? An AI tasked with optimizing traffic flow might decide to reroute all traffic through residential areas, or an AI designed to maximize profits might engage in unethical business practices. The potential for these unexpected consequences highlights the need for careful planning and ongoing monitoring of AI systems. But despite these challenges, there is hope. Let's look at what's being done to address the alignment problem. The good news is that researchers around the world are actively working on solving the AI alignment problem. This field, known as AI safety research, is dedicated to developing techniques and strategies for building AI systems that are safe, reliable, and aligned with human values. One important approach is called value-sensitive design. This means that engineers are thinking about ethics and human values right from the start when designing AI systems. It's like building a house with safety features built in, rather than adding them later. One exciting area of research is called value learning. Scientists are trying to develop ways for AI to learn about human values through observation and interaction, much like how children learn by watching and listening to the people around them. Organizations like OpenAI, DeepMind, and Anthropic are not only developing advanced AI, they're also heavily invested in AI safety research. They employ teams of scientists and engineers dedicated to finding solutions to the alignment problem, exploring areas like value learning, interpretability, and robustness. This is a challenging but incredibly important area of research, and progress is being made every day. We've explored the complexities of AI alignment, from the difficulty of defining human values to the challenges of the black box problem and the potential for unexpected consequences. But we've also seen that dedicated researchers are working hard to address these issues, guided by the principles of creating AI that is helpful, harmless, and honest. Each of these challenges highlights the importance of approaching AI development with careful consideration and a focus on safety. The future of AI depends on our ability to get alignment right. Getting AI alignment right is essential for ensuring that AI remains a powerful tool for good. By understanding the challenges and supporting ongoing research, we can work toward a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Aligned AI could help us find cures for diseases, develop new sources of energy, and even create more just and equitable societies. It has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, education, and many other industries. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a future we are creating together. And it's a future where AI, guided by human values, can help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. This is why AI alignment matters. It's about ensuring a safe and beneficial future between humans and AI. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.